Good morning again, Byron. This is Kylie from Atlas Currency Exchange. We're Byron Foreign Exchange in Byron Street, but we will be changing our signage in the near future to Atlas Currency Exchange. We've been in Byron for 11 years and we're online at www.atlascurrency.com.au for all your FX needs. Atlas Currency is basically a one-stop FX shop. We have an Australian Financial Services licence and are one of the only Australian companies outside the banks to be granted one of these licences to trade in all your international money transfers, inwards, outwards, spots and forwards, global travel cards with no administration fees applied whatsoever, and foreign currency cash. We have or can order over 60 foreign currencies into the booth, and we can deliver Australia-wide and worldwide as far as international money transfers go. But if you want to order foreign cash or global travel cards for you, your family or friends anywhere in Australia, you can call us on 1300 261 090 or go online again at www.atlascurrency.com.au and place an order on there. You will see all of our rates for cash, global travel cards and international money transfers displayed in comparison against the four majors. And again, you can call us at any time to get live rate quotes on your cash, cards or transfers. The retail rates today for Wednesday the 1st of February are as follows. Every 100 US is selling at $96.90 Australian. This is a sell rate of 1.032. Every £100 at 0.6450 is going to cost you $155.05. Every €100 at 0.7765 will cost $128.80. 10,000 yen today will cost you $129.05. This is a retail rate of 77.50 for cash. And for New Zealand dollars at 1.2303, every 100 New Zealand will cost you $81.30 Australian. Rates change every day, and I just want to talk a little bit about the rates that you see on television and online. A lot of people go online now to get indicative rates. Please be aware that the online rates, as well as the television, radio, newspaper, these are all cross-market rates. They're the spot rate and they sit in between the buy and the sell. So while this number is important because it shows you the movement of our currency or the strength of our currency in comparison to the day before or the hour or the week before, it's not a retail rate. This just means that you're not going to find this number anywhere when you actually go to trade. In much the same way as the Reserve Bank sets the Reserve Bank interest rate, and this is the indicative rate of which the market works. So if you're going to get a home loan or a credit card, you won't ever see the rate that the Reserve Bank sets. The market has to split the difference in foreign currency, and this means the buy market sits on one side of that indicative spot rate and the sell market sits on another side. For the purposes of retail, this has to occur, otherwise you would have no market whatsoever and we wouldn't be able to trade in a product. This is a lot of industry speak for the best and most efficient way to actually see what the rate is to ring FX providers, people who can actually perform your trades or supply you with your currency and your cards. The rate is king in foreign exchange, so basically ask the same question and compare apples to apples on any given retail day. This means there's no point comparing what 1,000 US will cost at one provider on a Monday and then ringing on a Thursday to find out what 1,000 US will cost from another provider. You're not giving yourself or the provider a chance to show who has the best deal. If you want 1,000 US, you ring 3 or 4 providers, whether they be your banks or your foreign currency providers, and you say, what will 1,000 US cost me in total today? Whoever comes up with the lowest Aussie number, inclusive of fees and rates, is the person who has the most competitive deal on that day. Just aside from that, you can pretty much take it as a given that the airport is the most expensive place to purchase your currency or to trade or to sell your currency. Airports do not only charge 4 to 5 times as much for a sandwich and a beer, they also have very big spreads, 10 to 12 cents on major currencies and more on exotic currencies. So if you're leaving it till the last minute to get your currencies or your global travel cards, really do yourself the favour and save yourself hundreds of dollars by not only having it before you get to the airport and therefore not having to worry about that drama, but also just the cost of purchasing your money or changing it at an airport is exorbitant. Again, have a fantastic day. If you need to give us a ring for any more information on anything that I've spoken about, 1300 261 090 or online at www.atlascurrency.com.au. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.